So today I am joined with my beautiful best friend, Jessica.
Hello.
So I'm going to be doing her makeup today. I'm going to be doing something very glam and full coverage on her. So let's just get started. Did you moisturize?
Yeah, I did.
So we're going to start with the face today. She already moisturized her face, so I'm going to go in with the Clinique Beyond Perfect Foundation and Concealer. This is the number 7. Looks like this. Now we're going to use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. So now we're going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the color 25 Medium. We're going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. Hers is brand new.
Yeah, so don't mess it up.
I'm not going to mess it up. So she has a BH Cosmetics brush set, so I'm just going to be using BH Cosmetics brushes today. I'm going in with this fluffy one. First I'm going to go in with the color Pooter, which is this one right here. That's the name of it. So I'm just going to put that in her crease of her eye. And we're going to be doing a halo eye today, so I'm going to make it just as intense on the outer corner as it is on the inner corner. I'm going to go in with the shade Chip. To do that, I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush. This is the Real Techniques Base Shadow Brush, just to deepen up the inner and outer corners.
The brush has a name?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right there. There's so much fallout, see? So for the center of the halo eye, we're going to use this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Sailor. So the top of the eye eyeshadow is done. Now we're going to move on to the bottom lash line eyeshadow. I'm going to use this small BH brush. First, I'm going to go in with Pooter, Jessica's favorite shade. Okay, and then to deepen up the lower lash line eyeshadow, we're going to go back in with Chip right there. So for the very outer corner, we're going to use this color, which is Soda Pop. We're going to use that one. We're going to tight line that on the lower lash line, like stamping it on the lower lashes, just on the outer corner. For the last step for the eyes, I'm going to go back in with that Super Shock Shadow and put that in the center of her lower lash line. So she's going to apply mascara now. So for contour, we're going to do the NYX Cream Highlight and Contour Palette. I did not know that this was a cream, but we're going to make it work. So I'm going to dip into a tiny amount of this one. For blush, I'm using Milani Baked Blush in Berry Amore. Putting that on the apples of her cheeks. And the best part today, we're using this Wet n Wild highlighter in the color Golden Flower Crown. And I usually do like a C shape, so I do up here and then I kind of bring it around. Okay, so for lips today, we're going to be doing 2 different products. This first one is a Maybelline lipstick in the color Beige Babe. Everybody talks about this one. Alright, and then to top that off, we're going to be using Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in the color 06 Tease. To set everything in place, we're going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, so this is the finished look. It is a purple sparkly halo eye. I think she looks absolutely gorgeous, but she looks gorgeous without makeup. Thank you so much to Jessica, my best friend, for letting me do this. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. My subscribe button is down there. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All of my information will be on the end screen in just a moment. Thank you again so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video.
I'm gonna do this.
Okay. You can do this if you want.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna try not to fucking laugh.
I know you're gonna laugh the whole time. Okay.
Sorry. Tickles. Now I really feel like an Indian.
You're not.
Oh, you put me in the eye.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Why are you laughing?
It's making me yawn.
And then to set everything in place, It stopped. It stopped. Wait.